Now that you know about the conditional operators, conditions, logical operators in JavaScript, we can learn loops in JavaScript. Loops are used to perform certain tasks repeatedly. Let's say I want to write 100 lines of same content or similar content. I can use loops to write those lines, or to perform certain repeated activities we can use loops. So let's get started. So loops, we have while loop, do while loop and for loop. So first of all we'll see about the while loop, and the syntax for while loop is pretty simple, guys. You have to write this while keyword, and in the parenthesis you have to provide the condition. If that condition is true or results in true, then whatever you have written inside this block statement, it will execute or perform that actions. Let us see the example here. So I am declaring one variable count equals to 0. I am writing this while loop here, and I am giving the condition here. When the count is less than 0, please print this counter value with counter, then colon and counter value, and increment that counter with 1. Let me just run this program and see this while loop in action. So as you can see, we are printing all the values of count variable, and we are also incrementing it till the value becomes 4. So whenever this condition is evaluated as the true, it will keep running. This is the while loop. So to increment the count value, we have one more variation, or shorthand you can say. So you can directly write this way, count plus plus. This means that it will increment its value by 1. Itself it will increment by 1. So let us see in action again. So I'm running this program. As you can see, it is giving me the same output here. If you see here, now let us see the another variation of while loop, that is do while loop. So I'm resetting the count variable to 0, and to write do while loop you just have to write do keyword, then the block or curly braces, and within the curly braces you have to provide your actions or your code which will be executed, and then you have to write the condition. So this way it will first perform whatever action or whatever code you have written inside this do block, and then it will check the condition. So this loop is useful when you want to perform your task for the first time, and later you want to check whether the conditions are met or not. So let us see this in action. So let me just clear this first. So it is giving me the same output, but it is checking first, not checking, it is executing first, then it will check. So that is do while loop, guys. Next we have the for loop. The syntax of for loop is like this. It is pretty simple, guys. You just have to use the for keyword, begin statement or begin or initialization phase. Then you have to add the conditional part here separated by the semicolon, and then the last part, which is a step, which will be like performing the incremental part of the variable, and then the braces, whatever you want to perform for this for loop. So let's write a for loop very quickly here and see it in action. So first of all you have to write the for keyword and the parenthesis, and you have to provide the initialization part, which is the begin part or initialization of the variable, and then you have to provide the conditions here. I am writing I less than 4, and the last part is the step to increment your initialized variables or counter part, and then whatever you write inside this for loop or this braces, it will be executed. So let's just see this in action. Node, then basics. So as you can see, value of 1 is printed 4 times, starting with 0 and till 3. This for loop runs 4 times, starting with the value of I at 0, and then it will increment by 1 for each iteration, and it will print this statement. So this is how we can use loops in JavaScript program. So that's all for today, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.